A Valentine's Day look? Okay. Valentine's Day is coming, so we gotta get these tutorials going. But you gotta let me know in the comments what you guys want to see. My eyebrows are done. Now I'm just gonna add some white eyeliner. That's the shape I'm going for. I'm just gonna make it thicker. So there's the liner. My white liner is so dry, so that's why it looks all patchy, but it's okay. And this is gonna be covered, so don't worry about that. Now I'm gonna add some hearts. I'm gonna try to, at least. This is a lot harder than it looks. That one is mad cute. The hearts are done. I'm gonna mix my pink glitters together from Amazon. And then I'm just gonna add it right here with some eyelash glue. There's the glitter. I'm gonna go do my face and finish this whole look up, and I'll be back with the final result. And this is the final look. Okay, do you see the bottom lashes? How do you feel about them? Do you like them or do you not? Let me know in the comments. But like I said in the beginning of the video, let me know in the comments any look you want to see.
Here, Valentine's Day is a month away. We're starting looks now. For our eyeshadow, I'm just putting some pink shadow where the hearts are going to go, and then a little bit of glitter on the lids. Great thing about this look is there's so many hearts, no one's going to check if all of them look perfect. Can this lighting stop changing, please? Anyway, what you do want to make sure of is getting an even dispersal of each of the colors, and also having the hearts get smaller and more spread out the further out you go. After that, just add some lashes and your favorite red or pink lipstick, and this look is complete.
Glam eyeshadow tutorial for Valentine's Day.